my experience with people that file bankruptcy is that they're good people. You know, people who file bankruptcy want to pay back their debt for the most part. I mean, every now and then you'll see someone who's trying to game the system, but that's a very rare occurrence. Most people are not able to pay their debt back because they've had a change in their life circumstance. They've either lost their job, had a reduction in income, gone through a divorce, there's an illness. Something has brought them to the place where they can't pay back that debt. And most people who come in feel really bad about that. They feel bad about the fact that they can't pay back that debt. So one of the things that we have to recognize is that bankruptcy is a safety valve. It's in the Constitution of the United States. One of the things that the founding forefathers believed was so important was that the Congress of the United States shall create a uniform system of bankruptcy laws, because it was so important for people to be able to discharge their debt, get a fresh start, be forgiven from their debts. And this concept goes back to ancient biblical Hebrew law. You know, back in ancient days, if you look at the system of laws that the Hebrew people enacted, there was a usury rate of 12%. It was unlawful for anyone to lend money at an interest rate of greater than 12%. And every 7 years, there was a period where all the debts were forgiven. So every 7 years there was a natural forgiveness of debt. Well, in this country, our government thinks that it's okay for credit card companies to have interest rates of 30% more. I've seen some of these payday lenders lend at thousands of percent per year. Well, this is predatory lending. And you've had a situation occur in this country where over the past 25 years, which is how long I've been practicing, we have a much less forgiving, less compassionate system of laws. The laws that have been enacted over the past 25 years have been to the detriment of the consumer and for the protection of the creditors. You've seen many of your rights eroded over that period of time. Creditors now can do things that they couldn't dream about doing before, and that's a problem with the system.